How's it going today, buddies? So I figured I'd do a review on a skateboard that I got from Toys R Us. It's a Kryptonic skateboard. It's a cruiser. Pretty cool top design. It has the invisible grip tape on the top. It's got metal trucks, which are just Kryptonic's trucks. Wheels light up when you spin them. It's got the symbol there. It's got indents, so when of course you're grinding. It's more of a kid's skateboard, which is why I ended up getting it. I haven't used it myself, and I don't plan on it because this is not my skateboard. I ended up getting it for my son. He used it a couple times already, and it goes pretty good for a skateboard that you get at Toys R Us. The bearings, they usually say, are like plastic, but it actually goes quite well for the bearings. I'm not too sure of what it is for bearings, but it goes quite well. It rides very smooth. Me standing on it, it's able to take my weight, and it covers pretty good. All in all, as far as skateboards are concerned, I mean, I wouldn't give it a 10. I'd probably give it a solid 5. The weight on it is really very light. It's not a thick board. I know usually if you get those like Walmart boards, they're like that thick, and they're really very heavy. This is really very light. You can just, no problem pick it up. It goes really well. This is just a tabletop review, so, but it looks pretty cool. All in all, I like it, and I think he likes it, and really nice board. Back graphics pretty cool, pretty decent. All in all, it's pretty good. Metal trucks, quality is not professional, but it's still not too cheap. It's still pretty decent, pretty good. Close up there. The hardware is good. I had to take off the hardware yesterday just to take off a little bit of plastic. The crash pad on the bottom is just crash plastic, like a hardened plastic. Usually they're a rubber, and they're actually just like a hardened type plastic, but it's all good. You're not going to be really doing any tricks with this thing, more just cruising around. It's pretty straight, pretty awesome looking. It's really very nice, very smooth ride. Seems like it's a very smooth ride for him, and it seems like he'll like it. So for a kid's skateboard at Toys R Us, you really can't go wrong, especially if they're just getting into skateboarding. You really can't go wrong. It's definitely a hit. I definitely don't think you could miss at all with it. But anyway, guys, that's just a little quick video on it, just a little review. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you very much.